Fixing lag on your iPhone is quick and simple. Let me walk you through the steps. First, go to Settings and tap on Battery. If low power mode is turned on, switch it off. This mode limits your phone's performance to save battery, which can cause lag. Next, go back to Settings, tap on Accessibility, then select Motion. At the top, you'll see Reduce Motion. Turning this on disables certain visual effects, which can improve your phone's speed by reducing background animations. If that doesn't help, head to Settings greater than General iPhone storage. Check if you're running low on space. If your storage is nearly full, it can slow down your device. You can free up space by offloading or deleting apps you no longer use. Now, let's check for updates. Go to Settings General Software Update. Installing the latest iOS update can fix bugs or glitches that might be causing lag. Also, update your apps by going to the App Store, tapping your profile icon in the top right, and selecting Update All. Sometimes outdated apps don't work well with the latest iOS version, leading to performance issues. Finally, if your phone still feels slow, restart it. Go to Settings General, scroll down, and tap Shut Down. If you haven't restarted your phone in a while, a simple reboot can clear temporary glitches and improve performance. That's it. These steps should help speed up your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.